Hello all, I'm very excited today because I've got my ever first drone. So I'm going to unpack it right now and see if I can install everything and hopefully make a first fly. This is DJI Mini 2 drone. It's only recently available on the market. Let's see. I'm not quite sure what I get inside, but let's discover it together. I've chosen a Fly More combo because it has a spare batteries, right? Spare and a spare propeller. Oh wow, it comes with a nice bag. It's super small and as you can see, it's very easy to take on any trip with you. Oh, it's my very first drone, so the last one. So remote control. Ooh, what goes where?